body. You
and
turn
you
up
put
for
them
a
dirty
crop.
and cranny just like your body. And so you put them dirty and look in your kitchen and cranny. You're too enough. For a cruff, you're too enough. You want a little cruff for just little enough. You're not in no position to trouble nobody, nor address nobody. Months ago, you do it, me just feel like addressing you're going to talk about coward. Anybody here coward is you. You're too enough for your cruff. And look here, when you pack them in your kitchen, look like this, you come by internet, come and address people. You cannot be addressing people and you pack them dirty, you plate them dirty. Annie, look here, Annie, you pack them for look, so when you're cooking, that's why no man not turn your rascal yard. Be a little young boy that jump up in your hole when you know nothing. And used to nothing, so you can't cook out a dirty pot and give them. You're not in a position and if you address nobody, but you don't like coward. You're too enough for your crop. You're too enough for your crop. Me, I do my thing, you I do your thing. Why you run up on my people are firing? Me, I do my content, my people are my friend. Me people are my foreign love me, Annie. Why you trouble my content for me, not trouble yours? Me used to come over there and come support you all when you're cranny and nasty. All when your kitchen cranny and nasty. All when you cook your dirty pot, me used to come over there, come support you, but you address. You're not in a position to address not trouble nobody. Go and bed. Every day you come out, look at my body, look at your body don't clean. Your body want to wash off. Get your skin looking nice and clean like this. Yes, your body don't look bad, but you want care. Go and take care of yourself. Take care of your house. Take care of your kids them. Because every day you're on live. You don't see your condition on your stove. You don't see how your stove build up, your grease build up by your stove. You don't see the condition on your pot them. And you are addressing people. You are addressing people. And your clothes dirty. You dirty. Everything about your property dirty on your house. Oh, please, come on, Annie. Months ago you don't like what? No, listen, me not eat my rice when you hot me and me drink it with the cold. Leave my content alone. Leave me alone. I don't know you. I never trouble you. But you address. Go and address your dirty house. Go and address your life. But months ago, me address my ass. Go and address it Sunday morning. Go and cook. Go and score your pot. A little cranny, little young boy. Them alone you can't tame it because them not used to nothing. Them not used to nothing. You cook dirty pot, give them. And them not used to nothing because me no know what make you pot them for your stove if you look so. Why you have to look so? You come talk about your body, my body. Your body dirty. You want beard. Your body dirty.